This is a brief tutorial on how to use the Safety Meeting app for conducting toolbox talks. Once you've received your login credentials and downloaded the application to your mobile device, you can begin. Clicking on the app on your home screen will bring you here. Just wait a moment and the main directory will open. This is the main directory. We will only be focusing on the Meetings tab in this tutorial. Incidents and resources will not be used, however you may find value in the Job Briefings and Checklist section as well. Click the Meetings tab to begin. This is a list of all safety meetings that have been conducted to date. Click the plus symbol to add a new safety meeting. Start by entering the date that you plan to conduct your toolbox talk. Then enter the project street address and project name. To enter the leader name, click the chevron to the right. Then start typing the last few letters of your last name and you will see it populate below. Note the Favorite Employees tab. This is where any crew names you have saved will populate. Click your name and a check will appear to the right. Click the back chevron to return to the Meeting tab and you will see your name entered as leader. Now click the chevron to the right of Attendees. Again, enter the first few letters of the last name for crew members that will be attending your toolbox talk and you will see it populate below. Any names you have previously added to your favorites will already be loaded below. Clicking their names will place a check mark to the right and add them to your meeting. Continue selecting crew attendees until complete, then click Save. If you have entered a crew member's last name, but it does not populate below, you may have to add it. Click Save to return to the previous screen, then click Manage Employees. Try typing the last name again, but if nothing populates below, you will have to add it. Click the plus symbol and enter the required information. Make sure the spelling is correct and you are using their legal name. Check the active box to note the employee is currently working. You can also check the favorite box to add the member to your favorites list. Then click Done. The new member you added and the crew members you previously selected should now have check marks next to their names. Any worker you have checked as a favorite will be listed under Favorite Employees. To add members to your favorite employees, click Manage Employees again, then type the first few letters of their last name, select their name, then check the box beside Favorite to add them to your favorites. Click the Done chevron to return to the meeting screen, and you should see the correct number of attendees at your meeting. Now you can add your signature. Click the chevron to the right, then use your finger to sign your name. Click Save. You can see that your signature has been recorded. Now click the chevron to the right of Topic to select one for your meeting. You can scroll through the hundreds of pre-selected options or type a few letters of a relevant topic for your project. Click on the topic you want to select it and preview the content. If this is a topic you think you will read again in the future, click the star to add it to your favorites. Then click Back and Save to return to the meeting screen. You can see that your toolbox topic has been populated. The last two items should be completed after you conduct the toolbox talk. You should either pass around a sign-in sheet or plan to take a picture of the crew after the meeting. Click the chevron to the right of the photo to upload a picture of the sign-in sheet or crew. Click the three dots and Add Photo, then either click Use Camera to import the photo directly with your camera, or select Photo Library to use a photo that you've already taken. Then click Save. You will see that your photo has been recorded. The last things to enter are any specific notes you had about the meeting. This could be comments that came up or any special direction that you had. Click the chevron to the right of Notes. Type any notes that you have into the page, then click Save. You'll see your notes have been added. If you need a copy of this safety meeting sent to anyone, click the arrow up box, then on an email or text contact to send it to. Finally, click the back arrow, and this will take you back to the main directory. This concludes the Safety Meeting app tutorial. If you have further questions, please contact the safety group at safety@sullymac.com. Thank you.